Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I am going to work on sets of clip art in Midjourney. And I got this idea from a prompt guide that I got off of Creative Fabrica. I did a video on Creative Fabrica a couple of weeks ago. I'll link that in the description box below. But I have a subscription to Creative Fabrica, so I can come in and download anything I want in here. And lately, I have been diving into all of the prompt guides that are on Creative Fabrica. Um, they have prompt guides for Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT. There are, I think, a few Leonardo on here, but not very many. Um, I haven't seen any playground, but I haven't really looked for a playground one yet. So it may be one on here. I think there's one Canva one on here because Canva has a uses DALL-E as well. But today focusing on Midjourney, and they have a ton of Midjourney prompt guides on here. I do have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica. No extra charge to you. I just get a small little commission if you buy anything using my link. Um, and that will be linked in the description box below. So I'm always looking for clip art. So there's a ton of clip art on here. Um, and usually I will do it one by one. So let me show you what I mean. So usually when I do clip art, I just come in and type in what I'm looking for. Camo print purse clip art. Um, Camo print rolling suitcase clip art. But what I want to do today, I want to do a set of clip art that will give me a whole page of clip art. And then I can just take that over to Canva and turn it into individual images. Um, so here's an example. Here's a bee and a honey theme. So it gave me, a lot of different bees, some honeycombs, some flowers. So all of this is just one page of clip art. It's in 4 different sections, so I can pick which one I like. I like them all, so I'm going to download them all. Um, and these are just things that I was practicing on, trying to get back to the set. So here's another set. Um, of bees and honeycombs and honey and florals. So I'm going to take all of this to Canva and just kind of take out the individual things that I like, of course, turn them into stickers, um, create printable sticker kits, create clip art, whatever I want to do with it. So enough rambling from me. I'm going to try a lemon theme. So what I'm going to do, just kind of copying what I have up here, set of clip art, bees, honey, flowers, honeycomb. I'm going to do / imagine because I'm in Midjourney or Discord for Midjourney. And I'm going to type in set of clip art, comma, lemon, trees, lemonade, flowers, bucket of lemons, lemonade, if I can spell it right, lemonade stand. All right. And then just see what I get. See if I get a set of clip art. So this is what I got. I got bucket of lemons. That always pops up. Get out of here. Bucket of lemons. Here's a little jar of lemonade here. Here's some lemons. Here's some flowers. No trees, no lemonade stand. So let's try. I'm gonna take some of this stuff out. I'm just gonna copy and paste it so I don't have to type in everything again. / imagine. And I'm gonna say lemon trees, lemonade. Take out flowers. I'm gonna take out bucket of lemons. And I'm gonna keep in lemonade stand and see what I get. All right, so this time I got lemon trees. It's a little rinky dink tree. But I got a lemon tree, lemonade stand, little different lemonade stand. Look like it has let me see if I can make it bigger. Here we go. Um Not really liking the lemonade stand, but we're getting we're getting a little something. So let's try it again. / imagine. And this is what you do. You just tweak prompts until you get what you like. Do set up clip art, lemonade stand, lemonade, lemonade stand, uh, lemon tree. All right, so here we go. Uh, we're getting a little bit closer with the lemonade stand, but not getting what I want. Here's a glass of lemonade, though. Here's another glass of lemonade. So I can still take out different things in here um, and use them as individual clip art elements. Um, I'm not sure what that is. But I can definitely take out these florals. I can take out this glass of lemonade here. I can take out these lemons. I can use all of these elements as clip art. So I'm going to give it one last go. I'm just going to do set of clip art, lemonade stand with glasses and pictures of lemonade. All right, so I got my pictures of lemonade and I got glasses of lemonade. So definitely can use these. And then I went ahead and just did lemonade stand. So I guess this is as close as I'm going to get to a lemonade stand. Now this is close. It has a little thing here that will probably hold lemonade. This is a picture of lemonade. Um, this looks more like a fruit stand. But yeah, you just have to play around with it. I'm going to do one more thing and then that'll be it. Let's see. I'm going to try and see if I could get a doll. All right, so trying to get a doll. Set of clip art, beautiful African American woman holding a glass of lemonade. So I'm going to see what I get. All right, so this is what I got. Um, I would definitely play around with that a little more, kind of tweak her hairstyle. I might say drinking a glass of lemonade. She's cute. Like she got a milk mustache. Uh, but yeah, you have to play around with it a little bit, like I say, to get the images that you want. But I did get some more glasses of lemonade that I can use as clip art. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and show you how to make sets of clip art so you're not creating things individually one at a time. You can actually grab these and grab certain elements out of them that you want. The things that you don't want, you don't have to use. Um, so like for instance, this one right here, I could grab these little, plants and trees. I could grab these lemon things, lemon trees, anything that I want to use. This will make a great like corner sticker for a planner. This part right here. So a lot of different things you can do with it. I do like the honeybee one a little bit better because I feel like I got more elements that I could use. Um, I got the bees, I got the honeycombs, all kind of things. So, all right, I just wanted to come on and show you that. Um, I'll put I'll put the initial prompts in the description box below, like this one, the set of clip art, lemon trees, lemonade, flowers, bucket of lemons, and lemonade stand. I'll put that in the description box below, and you tweak it however you see fit. Right? Um, I guess I could go over to Chat GPT and see what I get. All right, so this is what I get from Chat GPT using that first prompt, set of clip art, lemon, lemon trees, lemonade, flowers, bucket of lemons, lemonade stand. So I got lemonade tree, I got my glass of lemonade, got a couple of glass of lemonades, got bucket of lemon, I got my lemonade stand here. So I would say Chat GPT does a little bit better with pulling out the elements that you ask for. Um, does it a little bit better than Midjourney. Um, so yeah, I like these. Right. I'm gonna try the doll one real quick. All right, and this is what I got from the set of clip art. Beautiful African American woman holding a glass of lemonade. Um, I could take this over to Canva and erase the two side ladies off, and then I'll have this lady right here. So I will say ChatGPT does a little bit better than Midjourney, but I'm definitely taking everything from ChatGPT and also Midjourney and turning this into sets of clip art that I can sell on my shop. It'll probably take me a little while to do that, but it's the weekend, so I don't have anything else to do. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's better to create a set of clip art where you can grab different elements? Let me scroll back up. Kind of like this, where you can grab different elements out of here. I got honey jars. Not quite sure what that is. It looks familiar, but I'm not sure what it is. I got bees. I got honeycomb here. I got flowers. Um, this is pretty. Very, very pretty. Um, so yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think it's better to create a set of clip art, or do you like creating your clip art individually, where you just type in just one individual element like that you like and go from there? And also let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this. All right. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Definitely check out Creative Fabrica because they have a variety of prompt guides on here. And like I said, I have the subscription, so I come on and just try any and everything on here um, and to see how I like it. All right. I will see you in the next video.